Hi, Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com on Tuesday, the 22nd of February, and today was a distribution day. The NASDAQ Composite fell 2.74% on a pickup in volume, slicing through this red line, which is the 21-day moving average. So far, it's still holding this uptrend, though, so we're not really super concerned yet. A pullback down here to this blue line, which is the 50-day moving average, could be in the works as well, which would still hold us into this longer-term uptrend here that started here in September. So far, looks like a normal pullback here. It did gap down this morning, and it was on a pickup on volume and above average volume. So let's keep an eye on it. The Dow did a little bit better, only down 1.44%, still above this red line, the 21-day moving average. It did fall on a pickup in volume and above average volume, so distribution on the Dow big cap stocks, but still solidly in this uptrend here. The broader S&P 500 index was down 2.05%, holding here above the red line, the 21-day moving average, on a pickup and above average volume here, but still again holding a nice solid uptrend. And the emerging markets got whacked 3.2%. They've been in a downtrend here ever since the year started, and volume was pretty heavy today. This is pretty normal considering all the tensions in the Mideast and everything. The GLD, the gold ETF, had a nice day up 0.65%, climbing back up here in new high ground almost, making a good assault for it on a pickup in volume. You can see volume increasing as this ETF moves higher and gold prices move higher. So gold looking real good here. Silver's been the shining star, and today it was up 1.5%. The SLV, the silver iShare ETF, hitting a new high, pickup in volume, actually 3 days of above average volume and moving higher into new high ground. Very strong for silver. And looking at some of the big cap bellwether stocks like Apple down 3.4% today, holding at this blue line, which is the 50-day moving average. So some support came in there. Still solidly in an uptrend. Did break this sort of short-term uptrend here, though, on a pickup in volume and very heavy volume for the last couple of days here. So Apple pulling back. Let's see if she'll hold here at the 50-day. A lot of people do watch Apple as far as gauging putting money into growth stocks. So Apple, very important stock here to watch. There was a video of Steve Jobs sort of hobbling to his car from a cancer treatment center, and that was circulating on the web. The Drudge Report picked it up, so that could have been a very big negative for the stock. Another big cap leader getting hit today. Amazon down 3.26%, slicing through the blue line, the 50-day moving average, but holding here at the 21-day, very close together here. So some support coming in here. Volume was just a little above average here, and still digesting this move here. So putting in sort of a handle here. Don't like the pickup in volume here. Let's see if she'll hold in this area. One of the strongest stocks on the market has been Acme Packet today, pulling back 4.5%, gapping lower on big volume and above average volume, and a pickup in volume here. Not a good sign, but still holding above this red line, the 21-day moving average, and well above the 50-day moving average. So still in an uptrend, coming off these this series of wedging highs here. So I would gauge this as a pretty normal pullback on a really crummy day. And profit taking coming into Aruba Networks, which had a big week last week and hit a high on Friday on tremendous volume, pulling back on above average volume but lighter volume, pretty much digesting this huge gap here, and down 5.45%, but not looking too bad chart-wise. You would expect a normal pullback on a crummy day. And one of the leading retail stocks has been Chipotle Mexican Grill. Broke out late 2 weeks ago, and on really tremendous volume, pulling back in a lot lighter volume, drifting lower, back down through the pivot point, still holding above this 21-day moving average and the 50-day. So not liking the action, but not too terrible. The pullback's going a little deeper than I thought it would if it was forming a handle. But we'll see if we can muster up some strength and hold above these lines here. And our leading oil and gas play is Concho Resources. New high today, up 1.33% on a pickup in volume above average volume. This stock is super strong, but getting extended here up above this upper trend line and riding the Bollinger Band up, but very extended. Another leading retailer, Netflix, coming back down, testing up against this 21-day moving average here, holding above it, down 5.9% today on a pickup in volume on heavy volume. Let's see if these lines can hold here. Next, if this 21-day moving average breaks at the 218 level, next stop would be the 200 level and the 50-day moving average. And last but not least, Skyworks Solutions here. Slicing the 21-day moving average on a pickup in volume, but recovering to close just above it. So that's support there. Uptrend still solidly in place, down 6.38% today though. Big drop, but chart-wise still holding within the uptrend. Well, I said it, now I'm going to show it. Riverbed Technologies off 3.94% on just about average volume, pulling back, still holding above the 21-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. So lots of pullbacks today, some fairly steep pullbacks percentage-wise on a pickup in volume, but a lot of the uptrends are still holding. So we're still within the trend ranges here. I think tomorrow and the next day are going to really tell the story as if we're getting a true change of trend. And by looking at these real big leaders, you can really gauge the direction of the market. So right now I'm saying that basically we're going through a normal sell-off, and the uptrend is still in place.